As a GM, you will inevitably find yourself in a situation where your players are interacting with NPCs that don't exist. Don't panic. Here's how I create NPCs in seconds and have a ton of fun in the process. First, describe the NPC's appearance. We all know how to do this, and this is kind of second nature. But the next thing you should do is pick an existing character that you know that comes to your mind. And thirdly, choose the temperament and the mood of this particular character. I call this the ACT method for short. It flows naturally into your game, it doesn't feel clunky, and the best part is it's already building on something you know how to do well. For example, your players are entering the guild hall and they want to challenge the toughest guy in the room. No problem. First, describe what the NPC looks like. A mountain of muscle and armor with a chiseled chin towering one head above you. Next, quickly think of a character that comes to mind. Off the top of my head, I'm thinking Sandor Clegane from Game of Thrones. What this does is that it quickly gives you a reference on how a character acts and speaks and thinks, etc. From there, simply pick the temperament or the mood that the character is in, and you're good to go. I mean, who wouldn't be intimidated by a jolly Sandor Clegane? With the ACT method and a little imagination, you can create a near infinite number of NPCs with their own unique personalities and traits. And from here, it's not hard to throw a good plot hook at your players from a compelling NPC that you just created out of thin air. Speaking of plot hooks,